Hi, this is Siobhan with Pilcher Park Nature Center for Just a Bloomin' Moment. And today we're going to talk about spring beauty, also known as Good Morning Spring, groundnut, wild potato, and my favorite, fairy spuds. Let's take a look at the flower. We have a 3 to 5 petaled flower here. They will range from white to pale pink. There are darker pink veins that run up the petals. Some folks think that these are to guide the flying insects that pollinate the plant in, and if we can get a closer look, there are some flies actually in the flowers themselves, getting some nectar and spreading some pollen. These plants bloom from March through May, and by June they have disappeared. They're fairly delicate plants, and they will have a drooping stem until the flower blooms. When it blooms, it seems to straighten up in the sunshine, and then when it goes to seed, it will actually start to droop again. The seeds themselves are able to be propelled a few inches away from the parent plant, kind of in an explosive manner. The leaves are lance-like leaves, a little bit thick when you feel them with your finger, and there will be two about halfway up the stem. Then you'll get a third leaf later on. As far as how they were used, the Indians and early pioneers used them as a food source. Because they're called a wild potato or a ground nut, they have a starchy taste, somewhat similar to the bland chestnut. The leaves themselves are also edible, used in salads, even today by some folks. They have very high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium. Okay. Animals also enjoy spring beauty as a delicacy. Moose, elk, and deer enjoy the part of the plant that grows above ground, and bears enjoy the tubers that are below ground. This has been Siobhan at Pilcher Park Nature Center for Just a Bloomin' Moment.